Good morning. I hope you're doing well. I have a few requests during my stay.
Good morning. Of course, I'm here to assist you. What do you need?
Firstly, could you please make sure the room is cleaned daily? I like coming back to a tidy space.
Absolutely, daily cleaning is part of our service. Is there a specific time that works best for you?
Mornings are preferable, around 10 a.m., if that works for you.
That works perfectly. We'll make sure to have your room cleaned by 10 a.m. every day. Anything else you'd like?
Yes, I was wondering if I could get some extra towels. I like to have a few more available.
Certainly. I'll make a note to provide extra towels in your room. Is there a specific number you prefer?
Just a couple extra would be great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else on your mind?
Yes, could you please check if the minibar can be stocked with some sparkling water? I noticed it was empty when I arrived.
Of course, I'll inform the relevant staff to restock the minibar with sparkling water. Anything specific brand you prefer?
Not really. Any good quality sparkling water will do. Thank you for arranging that.
My pleasure. Is there anything else you need assistance with?
No, that should be it for now. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. If you need anything else during your stay, feel free to let us know. We're here to make your stay comfortable and enjoyable.
I appreciate that. Thank you again.
It's my pleasure. Have a wonderful day.